what you were saying inside of that is everything we talk about, which is communication.
Communication.
Right. And there's a lot of stuff. Like, I hope that we're talking to a wide array of people, right? I mean, I think quite a few people that hear this thing. But I always think about it. It's the guys that are trying to patch their relationship back together who have stepped out, or the wife has stepped out, and it's been rocky, right?
Sure.
But they chose
to stay.
CHOSE. You fucking chose to be till death do you part, regardless of what happened. You move forward together in a day, but you stay stuck. Your mind stays stuck.
Sure.
And that causes a separation. That we call it the gap of creation in a man, but it actually creates the gap of frustration in a relationship. It's like you cross that bridge together, but you cross the bridge together holding hands, but the reality is you left your hearts back on the other side, right? Wow. And with your heart is you forgot to fucking bring the connection, the communication, the love, the intimacy, the self-respect, the dignity, and you're saying you're going to work on it. And really what you're doing is you're making a relationship salvageable for the fucking kids more often than not.
Right.
And you're too afraid to walk away because money, right?
And the kids.
Money, the kids, the house. So you're going to suffer. When the reality is you made a choice. Why not go all in on the fucking choice?